Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this summery spring kind of look. I am feeling this look. Like, I didn't actually expect myself to be loving it as much as I have, and I've been meaning to do a yellowy tone look for ages. I've had a lot of people ask me to do it and I've just been putting it off just because I thought it's a bit boring. But do you know what? I think this is the new me. I think yellow is my go-to, but we'll see. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky little comment down in the comment section below, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you. I've already cleansed my face this morning when I was waking up and having a shower and stuff. So I'm going to be going in with the Lumiere moisturiser. And I always put some on my neck, just because I feel like you should treat your neck the same way you treat your face. And then I'm going to be spraying on some, which is my favourite, Superdrug Vitamin E Hydrating Mist. Literally makes your skin feel so good. And then just let that set. Whilst that's setting, I'm going to be going in with my eyebrows. So today I'm going to be using, it's the Rimmel London, and it's the brow pencil in the shade Black Brown. So what I'll be doing is just going in and just shaping my brow. Just doing the outline to begin with. Ooh. And the good thing with this one, it does come with a brush. So like then when I just literally draw it on my face, you can literally just brush it away. And just hair stroke lines at the front, and then just going in with another brush and just brushing some product out so they're not as dark. So now I'm going to prep my eyes and carve out my brows. So I'm using the Molly O'Brien Jimbob brush. This is my first time using this brush actually, and I've heard really good things. So I'm going to give it a try and I'll let you know what I think. So the base I'm using today is obviously P. Louise, but this is in the shade 04. Just pop that base onto the brush and just be generous with the amount of product you're using as well. And then I'm just going to start carving out the underneath of my brow. Just really carving out that shape. And then the same, I do like to carve the top of my brow. It's just a personal preference. And just patting all the product all over the eye. Keep patting that product until you're happy with all the coverage. And just blending out any harsh concealer lines. And then just patting over my eyelid just to remove any excess product that I don't want on my eyes. So now my eyes are prepped, I am just going to be getting ready to go in with the eyeshadow. Today I'm using the Me, Myself and Mitchell palette, and I'm going to be going for like kind of like a spring kind of summery look. So I'm going to be going in with the shade Mixer, which is like a mustardy yellow, just this one right here. And the brushes I'm going to be using for that are my go-to ones, which are Peaches and Cream, and they're in the number PC22. Just building that product up in the middle of the eyelid. So today I'm going to be doing like a rounded look. So I'm going to start my way working into my inner corner. I'm just packing that product in. So I'm just going to be blending it out with a slightly brighter yellow, which is called Manchester. That is in the Me, Myself and Mama Mitchell palette again. So just slightly brighter on the outer edges. So any excess product underneath my eyes, I'm just going to go in with some Nivea, micellar water and a cotton pad. So just going underneath, just removing. That's it. So I can go in with my primer. So the primer I'm using today is the Lumiere primer. It's called the Mattifying Serum. And it's my first time using it actually, so I've got a few new products here. Looks like a strange colour, but so I feel like I need a little bit more than that. I'm guessing because it's matte, it dries out quickly. Yeah, it's literally dry already. Whereas the L'Oreal one I normally use is really watery, so I normally have to give it a minute before I even think about putting my foundation on. But that one literally dried so quickly. It's drying. I'm just going to get ready to put my lashes on. So I'm using the TL4 lashes. They're the tatty ones, tatty lashes. So always let your lashes set for a moment once you've put the glue on. Wait till they go a little bit tacky. Otherwise you're just going to remove the eyeshadow you've just put on your eyes and they're not going to stick. So whilst they're getting tacky, I'm just going to pick the shade of my foundation. So I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me foundations recently. My go-to ones are NARS, MAC and The Ordinary. So kind of depends what kind of I'm feeling. So today I'm going to go for Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Beige, which is the 220. Look down into a mirror, place it on the middle of my lash, press down the corners. I've had a few people ask me as well how I clean my strip lashes. I might do a video showing you how I clean them. So that's one on. But now I'm happy my lashes are stuck down. I am going to be going in to put my foundation on. So yeah, like I said, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. So I'm going to be spreading this along my face with the MAC 252 brush. I like to just spread it across my face before I pat it into the skin, just because I feel like I get more coverage on my skin. And I feel like it just blends in. These behind my ears. I've got loads of baby hairs. I've only washed my hair today, so it's literally like a bunch of fluffy bits of hair. Yeah, so I feel like when you're spreading this around your face, you're getting in all the little nooks and crannies and just really covering all your pores. I mean, I haven't got the best skin, especially around my T-zone. I do get a lot of blackheads and stuff. And then going in with the Peaches and Cream PC19 brush, just dabbing that all around. And because I'm dabbing, I'm literally pushing, rather than rubbing, I'm pushing the foundation into my pores. So you're guaranteed more of a coverage. And then just pushing that into my skin and around my hairline. So then you can see here, you haven't got that white line where your foundation is. So just making sure you really do just push that towards your hair. So I do like to use brushes more than sponges. I feel like with sponges, I feel like they waste a lot of product. Like, I don't know if it's just me that thinks that. But in the inner corners where you can see there is random bits of foundation that have not been blended in, I'll be going in with a smaller brush, which is the Peaches and Cream, again, PC23. and just dabbing that in as well. I mean, I will go in with some concealer as well, but just to blend the foundation in before I go on to the next step. Just in all the little bits that I couldn't get in with the big brush. Before I finish off my eyes, I'm just going to put some concealer on. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution in the shade C5. So literally just putting that underneath my eye. Along the bridge of my nose. On the high point of my forehead. So whilst I'm waiting for that to set, I'm just going to go in and pop some black eyeliner in my inner corner, just to basically join up where my false lashes are. So then I'm going to be spreading out this concealer with my MAC to...
I'm not sure.
Okay, Alexa wants to join in. Right, so I'm going to be spreading out my concealer with the 252 MAC Cosmetics brush. Just going in with a Beauty Bay sponge. So, like I said, you know, I'm not normally a sponge person, but these ones from Beauty Bay I've been loving. Just to set my concealer. I do tend to go back in with a brush anyway though, so I feel like it's just to set the larger areas. So now I'm going to finish off my eyes. I'm going to go in with putting some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So I'm going to be using the brush, a Peaches and Cream PC14 brush, just like a small head. It's stained as well, like the blue won't come off. I'm going to be going in with the shade Mixer again, which is the one I used for my main shade up top, and just placing that product on my lower lash. Right, so now I've put eyeshadow on my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the lighter shade as well, just to brighten up the underneath of my eye slightly and just go over it. So this is the Rimmel London eyeliner in Pure White. I'm just going to come off screen for this because I can't seem to do this with one hand. But yeah, I use the white eyeliner just because it does brighten up the eye. I'm going to go in with the Brow Club Big and Bushy. It's in the shade Medium. It's kind of like a brow mascara wand. But I just want to brush my brows up slightly. So I'm just removing any excess product off of that brush, because I don't want my brows going too dark. And then I'm just going to brush my brows up. So now I'm going to set my under my eyes and just my T-zone, because I do tend to get quite oily in those areas throughout the day. So I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. The brush I'm going to be using is the Peaches and Cream PC15 brush. Just on my forehead. And on my chin. My chin tends to get quite oily too. So now I'm going to be going in with some MAC Cosmetics bronzer. It's the Mineralized Skin Finish in the Dark Tan. My favourite Home Bargains brush. If you don't know about the Home Bargains brush, I spoke about it in my Soft Glam makeup tutorial, which was my second video that I uploaded. I think it was $2.99 in Home Bargains, and it is amazing. So soft. Just going to be putting that on my cheekbones. And then just at the side of my face. So now I've put some bronzer on. I'm going to go in with my MAC Global Glow. This is my bronzer with a highlighter. I'm not going to put too much highlighter on today, just a little bit. I'm just putting that in the same places. So just because it's kind of like a summery vibe, I'm going in with the Jordana Tisha Lots of Love blusher. It is really like pinky peachy, so I feel like it goes with the look. Summer, spring vibes. So I'm going in with my Home Bargains brush again. Just putting that all over the brush, and I'm just going to place the blusher on the apples of my cheeks. I feel like a rat creep when I smell. Creep. skin is looking good. Lips. So I'm going to be going in with the Peaches and Cream. It's called Feline Lip Liner. This is like a soft neutral colour. Their lip liners are so creamy. Literally so creamy. So now I'm going to be blending in 2 different lipsticks from MAC Cosmetics. I've got the Soleil lipstick and Whirl. So I kind of want to do darker on the outside, lighter in the middle. So the aim of the game is put Whirl on the outside. And then go in. And what I will do is go in with the shade Modest on the Me, Myself and Mama Mitchell palette and just put that in the middle of my lips. Just so it creates that light to dark effect. I can't believe it. I nearly forgot. My baby Freckle Face by the Brow Club. So I'm just going to be putting some of those on. And just really patting those out. And then just to blend those out, I will just go in with my bronzer brush. Like so. So just finish off with some setting spray, which is the MAC Cosmetics 6+ in the Gold Light. So I'm just going to put on some accessories and then I shall be back to show you the end result. So guys, this is the finished look. I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching me create this spring summery look. Any products that I did use in this video will be in the description box down below, along with any of my social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. I'm very, very active on my Instagram at the moment, so feel free to check it out and give me a little follow. And don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky little comment down in the comment section below. Thank you.